But let's turn our attention now to the coronavirus and some developments today on potential treatments, vaccines. Anjali Khemlani joins us now with the latest.
Thanks, Miles. Yep. So we did get some positive news today from Pfizer, as Sean referenced earlier, that they did see some positive results in their phase 1 trial. And what that means is that it is proving to be effective when they test a number of different doses on individuals. And what they did find is that lower doses were effective, and that's positive because it means that they can produce more with the materials that they have. Meanwhile, we know that there is still more to be tested in terms of what levels of protection it offers, and that's something that's still a question when you're talking overall about the virus, because we know that while people who have recovered produce antibodies, we did get a recent study out of China saying that those antibodies only last for a short period of time. So still a lot of things, unknown about this virus and what that vaccine means. Meanwhile, important to point out that Pfizer's vaccine is one of those newer technologies, mRNA, which is also what Moderna is using. And what that means is that they are not going to get out there pretty quickly. The FDA is definitely going to be looking a little bit more closely at those two vaccine candidates when it comes to the test. Miles?
And Anjali, just a quick follow on the, I guess, what this might look like longer term in terms of the vaccine. Is there any sense yet of whether it is more likely that it would be a flu type, you need an annual booster shot, so within that you're getting some resistance or some immunity to COVID-19, or would it be the other way where it's, kind of like an MMR kind of thing that we all get as kids?
I think it's leaning more towards the former based on what all the health experts are saying, based on the fact that the antibodies only last so long. And they are testing it that way with an initial and a booster as well. So things are leaning in that direction. Again, it does remain to be seen. We do have a number of candidates out there to pay attention to, and different technologies as well. So how each of those acts in different age groups and among different populations is also going to be important to watch.
All right, Anjali Khemlani with the latest on the coronavirus outbreak.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.